Hey everyone, back for a second video. This one should be a lot shorter than the last one. Let's just jump right into this question we have here. You have a bag with 16 marbles in it. Hey, this is familiar. Three, oh, this is new. Three of the marbles are red. You draw a single marble out of the bag, find probability of red. Um, so last time we saw this, right, we were always getting answers that were just like P of red would equal 1 over and then some number, right? We had 1 over 2, 1 over 6, 1 over 16. This is going to be different because if you notice, the number of ways the outcome can occur is no longer 1. In fact, now the number of ways it can occur is 3. So the probability of red is now not going to be 1 over 16, it's going to be 3 over 16, which is kind of intuitive. You know, there's 3 red marbles, there's 16 total. But it's really easy to default into thinking about just like 1 out of something or whatever like that. Important not to do that in this case, right? It's also important to realize that like if even if there's only red marbles and blue marbles, it wouldn't be 1 out of 2. We really need to think about the total number of outcomes, right? So let's look at another quick example, right? Um, you have a bag of marbles. 3 of the marbles are red, 5 are blue, and 9 are green. You draw a single marble out of the bag. Find probability of red. So again, the logic that we want to avoid is saying, well, there's one, two, three kinds of marbles, and so therefore the probability of red would equal 1 out of 3. That doesn't work because we really want to be thinking about the total number of outcomes, right? How many marbles are there in this bag? Well, there's 3 red, and then there's 5 blue and 9 green, and so in total there's 17 marbles. Make sure it's really clear, 17. So the probability of red in this case would actually be uh, 3 out of 17 because there are 3 marbles that satisfy our condition and there's 17 total marbles. Here's a second question. Find the probability of red or blue or green. Now, what does that mean? Well, we can pull a marble out of the bag, and as long as the marble is red or blue or green, it would work for our condition, right? This is going to be equal to, well, let's see, there's 3 red and there's 5 blue and there's 9 green. So there's 17 marbles that satisfy the condition, and there's 17 total marbles. Oh, what is 17 over 17 going to equal? It's going to equal 1. This is what a probability being equal to 1 means. It's going to happen. It has to happen. And in this case, if you think about it, you have a bag of marbles, you pull a marble out, there's only red, blue, or green marbles in there. The probability you pull out a red or blue or green marble is just 1 because that's what can happen. Nothing else could happen. Right? Now, on the flip side of that, here's our last question. Find the probability of drawing a purple marble. Okay, well, the probability of purple, let's see. So probability of purple would be the number of ways purple can occur, which is 0, over the total number of ways, which is 17, which is equal to 0. Just to be really clear, this is equal to 0. This is what a probability of 0 means. The thing can't occur. It's not just unlikely, it's not a very small chance. It means it's impossible, right? It's an impossible thing to occur. So probability of 1 means the thing has to have occurred. Probability of 0 means the thing cannot ever occur. And in this case, purple is that because there's no purple marbles. Okay? So just kind of framing like to be thoughtful about counting, be careful about defaulting to just types of outcomes. We want to think about total numbers of outcomes. Okay? Let us know if you have any questions. See y'all soon.